Drones are fun gadgets that can take your photography or videography to the next level, whether you're a seasoned professional or a new hobbyist. Learning how to fly a drone and follow all of the necessary regulations can be a time-consuming venture. If you're willing to put in the work, there are a ton of drones on the market. To help you pick the best one for your needs, we did the work for you and found the top drones, whether you're sticking to a budget or looking to launch your TikTok career. The best drones in 2025 will let you reach new heights and capture some rare, majestic views that will really wow your friends and family. If you're a professional, having a drone can help enhance your work with aerial shots. It doesn't have to be a huge investment either, because good drones no longer cost an exorbitant amount. You can now get quite a few camera drone models for less than $500. The market is flooded with drone options. You get various combinations of features, video quality, and prices. There are options that suit every drone enthusiast regardless of your budget. Whether you want a drone only for the thrill of the flight or to add some flair to your photo and video work with drone photography, we've got some recommendations. We have listed the 6 best drones 2025, and their key features you need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 6. DJI Mini3 SE. The DJI Mini3 SE is an impressive entry into the world of compact drones, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned aerial enthusiasts alike. This lightweight drone weighs just 249 grams, which not only makes it incredibly portable, but also allows it to skirt many of the regulatory requirements that heavier drones face. Despite its small size, the Mini3 SE is packed with powerful features that enhance the flying experience. Equipped with a robust 12-megapixel camera, the Mini3 SE captures stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second, allowing users to document their adventures with remarkable clarity and detail. The camera's 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures smooth and stable footage, even in windy conditions or during rapid movements. This means you can confidently shoot breathtaking landscapes, action-packed scenes, or serene nature shots without worrying about shaky footage. One of the standout features of the Mini3 SE is its impressive battery life, offering up to 31 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This extended duration allows for longer sessions in the air, giving you ample time to explore and capture your surroundings without the constant worry of needing to land and recharge. Additionally, the drone has a maximum transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, thanks to its OcuSync 2.0 technology, ensuring a stable connection between the drone and your controller even at long distances. Number 5. DJI Avatar 2 Fly More. The DJI Avatar 2 Fly More combo is a remarkable upgrade that takes the already impressive capabilities of the original Avatar to new heights. Designed for both novice and experienced drone enthusiasts, this package includes everything you need to elevate your aerial photography and videography experiences. One of the standout features of the Avatar 2 is its enhanced camera system, which boasts improved image quality and greater stability during flight. With the ability to shoot stunning 4K video and capture crisp, vibrant photos, this drone is perfect for creating professional quality content. Additionally, the new 1.7-inch sensor allows for better performance in low-light conditions, ensuring that your footage remains clear and detailed even during dusk or dawn. The Fly More combo also expands your flying time with multiple batteries included, allowing for extended sessions without the need to constantly recharge. This is particularly beneficial for those who want to capture sweeping landscapes or document events without interruptions. The advanced battery management system ensures safety and efficiency, maximizing your overall flight experience. Another noteworthy aspect of the DJI Avatar 2 is its enhanced safety features. Equipped with obstacle avoidance sensors and advanced GPS capabilities, the drone can navigate complex environments with ease, reducing the risk of crashes. This makes it an excellent choice for those new to flying drones, as well as seasoned pilots looking for a reliable and safe flying experience. Number 4. DJI Air3. The DJI Air3 is an exciting addition to DJI's renowned lineup of consumer drones, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to enhance the aerial photography and videography experience. This latest model boasts impressive advancements over its predecessors, making it a strong contender in the crowded drone market. One of the standout features of the Air 3 is its dual camera system, which includes a high-resolution wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens. This setup allows users to capture stunning, versatile shots from various perspectives without needing to switch equipment. The wide-angle camera excels in capturing expansive landscapes, while the telephoto lens is ideal for zooming in on distant subjects, providing flexibility for photographers and videographers alike. Moreover, the DJI Air 3 benefits from enhanced flight performance, boasting an extended flight time that can reach up to 46 minutes on a single charge. This means users can spend more time in the air capturing their desired shots without the constant worry of battery life. The drone is also equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, ensuring a safer flying experience as it navigates through complex environments. In terms of video capabilities, the Air 3 supports 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second and offers multiple shooting modes, including HDR and D-Cine alike, catering to both casual users and professional filmmakers. With these features, users can create cinematic quality footage with ease, capturing the finest details and vibrant colors in their aerial shots. Number 3. DJI Mini3. DJI Mini3 is a remarkable addition to the world of compact drones, offering a blend of advanced technology and user-friendly design that makes it accessible for both beginners and seasoned pilots alike. Weighing in at under 250 grams, the Mini3 is incredibly lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry on any adventure without the need for cumbersome equipment or special licenses in many regions. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini3 is its impressive camera capabilities. Equipped with a 1.7-inch sensor, it can capture stunning 48MP still photos and 4K video at 60 frames per second. This allows for breathtaking aerial shots with vibrant colors and exceptional detail, even in low-light conditions. The drone also supports HDR video, ensuring that your footage looks polished and professional. Battery life is another area where the Mini3 shines. With an extended flight time of up to 38 minutes on a single charge, users can enjoy longer flight sessions without the anxiety of running out of power too soon. This is particularly beneficial for those who like to capture extensive footage during their travels or outdoor activities. Additionally, the Mini3 features intelligent flight modes such as Focus Track, which allows the drone to automatically follow subjects while keeping them in focus, and Quick Shots, which enables users to easily create cinematic shots with minimal effort. These features not only enhance the flying experience, but also make it easier to produce high-quality content. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro represents a significant leap forward in drone technology, offering an unparalleled blend of advanced features, exceptional performance, and stunning imaging capabilities. With its sophisticated dual camera system, including a large 4.3 CMOS sensor, the Mavic 3 Pro allows for breathtaking aerial photography and videography, capturing details with remarkable clarity and color accuracy. One of the standout features of the Mavic 3 Pro is its ability to shoot 5.1K video at 50 frames per second, ensuring that every moment is rendered in exquisite detail. The drone also supports various professional-grade codecs, allowing creators the flexibility to edit their footage with a range of post-production techniques. With a maximum flight time of up to 46 minutes, this drone is designed for longer flights, enabling users to explore expansive landscapes without the constant worry of battery life. The Mavic 3 Pro is equipped with advanced obstacle detection sensors that provide omnidirectional awareness, significantly enhancing safety during flights. This feature allows the drone to automatically avoid obstacles, making it easier for both novice and experienced pilots to navigate complex environments. Additionally, the drone's intelligent flight modes, like Active Track and Waypoint, enable users to capture dynamic shots effortlessly, allowing for creative storytelling from unique perspectives. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Our choice. The DJI Mini 4 Pro marks a significant advancement in the world of compact drones, setting a new standard for performance and versatility in a lightweight package. Weighing in at under 249 grams, this drone is designed to be user-friendly while offering professional-grade features that cater to both enthusiasts and seasoned aerial photographers alike. One of the standout features of the Mini 4 Pro is its impressive camera capabilities. which include a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor that allows for stunning 48-megapixel still images and 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second. This enhanced image quality ensures that every detail of your aerial shots is crystal clear, even in challenging lighting conditions. The drone also boasts advanced obstacle avoidance technology, with multiple sensors on all sides, allowing it to navigate around obstacles with ease. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to capture footage in complex environments without the constant worry of collisions. In addition to its impressive hardware, the Mini 4 Pro features intelligent flight modes that make capturing cinematic shots easier than ever. Whether you're looking to create dramatic hyperlapse videos or smooth tracking shots, the drone's automated features take the guesswork out of aerial cinematography. Moreover, the extended battery life allows for longer flight times, giving users more opportunities to capture that perfect shot without frequent interruptions. With a range of up to 18 kilometers, the Mini 4 Pro offers exceptional connectivity and control, allowing you to explore vast landscapes from the sky.